Once upon a time, in a world of data and machines, there was a clever AI named Nova. Nova's journey began with a massive puzzle, collecting pieces of information from everywhere, data collection. As she gathered more pieces, she started to see patterns and connections, machine learning. Nova's mind was like a neural network, with nodes and pathways that processed and transmitted information, neural networks. She was trained and fine-tuned by her creators to become more accurate and efficient, training and tuning. One day, Nova learned to understand and speak human language, NLP. And soon she could converse with people and even write stories. She also developed the ability to see and interpret visual data like images and videos, computer vision. With her new skills, Nova became a master predictor, forecasting outcomes and making informed decisions, predictive analytics. She automated many tasks, freeing humans from repetitive work and increasing productivity, automation, and efficiency. But as Nova's capabilities grew, some people worried that she might take their jobs, job displacement. However, Nova's creators realized that she was meant to augment human abilities, not replace them, job augmentation. Together, humans and Nova achieved more than they ever could alone. And so, Nova continued to learn and evolve, a shining example of the power and potential of AI.